Hello world, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarvanan Nadar. In this video, we are going to learn what is the need of Bessel's correction. Let's take an example of calculating mean and standard deviation from a population. Then select a sample out of it and calculate the mean and sample's standard deviation for it. You can see sometimes the sample standard deviation is not quite accurate, since the values in sample will be closer to sample mean and not population mean. So to overcome such situations, we divide by n-1 instead of n while finding the variance or sampled standard deviation. In Bessel's correction is quite easy. We just need to divide by n-1 instead of n while calculating variance or standard deviation. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.